friends, you're welcome on Learning with L and R, and today we are going to discuss about the National Agencies for Child Welfare. Definition: Child Welfare Agency, an administrative unit responsible for social work concerned with the welfare and vocational training of children. Purpose: to education of children, to promote and conduct research, to help training and education of teachers, to provide health support for children, to ensuring safety of child, to strengthening families, to successfully care for their children. Child welfare agencies, national level: Indian Red Cross Society, Central Social Welfare Board, Indian Council for Child Welfare, All India Women's Conference, Bharat Sevak Samaj, Hind Kusht Nivaran Sangh, Kasturba Gandhi Memorial Trust, Family Planning Association of India, All India Blind Relief Society, St. John Ambulance Association, Tuberculosis Association of India, Ford Foundation, Smile, SOS Village, Child in Need Institute, Cry Child Rights, and You. International we will discuss on next lecture. National Child Welfare Agencies. First one, the Indian Red Cross Society. It established in 1920, headquartered at Delhi, 700 branches throughout India. Child welfare activities: in 1931, Maternity and Child Welfare Bureau, they run various hospitals, Bal Vikas Kendra, urban health centers, MCW polyclinics and MCW centers, orphanages, rehabilitation homes and schools. Red Cross Blood Transfusion Center for Thalassaemic Children, antenatal screening and prenatal diagnosis program for thalassemia, sickle cell prevention, medical camps in slums and give free medicine. Sewing centers, youth peer education program, HIV/AIDS, STI training of trainers program on child protection and safe environment, malaria prevention and control program, polio eradication program. Then next is Central Social Welfare Board. It was established in 1953 at 33 State Social Welfare Board, 1800 NGOs, financial assisted. Services: scheme of short stay home for women and girls, condensed courses of education for women and girls, Rajiv Gandhi National Crèche Scheme for the children of working mothers, innovative schemes, poverty reduction program, gender equality in access to health, education and training, child labor, children or women trafficking. Kasturba Gandhi Memorial Trust, it was established in 1945. The office Kasturba Gram, Indore, 22 branches of the Kasturba Gandhi Memorial Trust and 500 centers are there. Child welfare activities: educational programs, school, college, Hamara School Project, Smile Foundation, Goa Village Service Center, Child Welfare Center, crèche, training for block worker. Then nursing training, maternity centers, health center, hospitals, nutritious food centers, welfare centers for children and women. Indian Council for Child Welfare established in 1952, head office at New Delhi. Child welfare activities: National Bravery Awards, Learning to Live Together Camp, National Painting Competition, Rajiv Gandhi National Crèche Scheme, promoting and facilitating the adoption of orphaned and abandoned children, Indira Gandhi Holiday Home, toys, clothes and books bank, Street Children Project 6 to 16 years, sponsorship program 6 to 18 years, income less than 500,000. Bharat Sevak Samaj National Development Agency, established in 1952, sponsored by the Planning Commission, Government of India, to ensure public cooperation for implementing government plans. Activities: welfare extension project, crèche and daycare centers, holiday home, maternity centers, crafts and vocational centers for women or girls, occupational therapy institute for physically and mentally retarded children, preventoria for children of leprosy disease, home for waifs and strays, pre-primary and nursery schools, libraries and reading rooms, dispensaries, milk distribution centers, institutions for handicapped children. Educational institutions: 23 2,330 schools, poor and middle class children aged 3 to 5 years. 3 vocational and IT educational programs sponsor many girls' institutions, junior and high girls' schools have been. Jabalpur Girl High Secondary School, 1,500 students are admitted. The All India Blind Relief Society, established in 1946, Lajpat Nagar at Delhi, head office of this agency, services, coordinates the work of different institutions working for the blind. It organizes eye relief camps and other measures for the relief of blind. Hind Kushti Nivaran Sangh, it was established in 1925, care education to leprosy patient, and New Delhi, head office of this agency. Activities for children, daycare services, Balwadi crèche, holiday homes 12 to 16 years, recreational facilities, play centers, public parks, children library, Bal Bhavans, children films, National Museum, hobby classes. All India Women's Conference, established in 1927 and head office at Delhi. Child welfare, literacy and education, promote school dropouts and other underprivileged children to return mainstream education, primary education for school dropouts girls, education and daycare services street children, condensed courses women and girls. Health, family welfare and population, mobile health vans provides special care to expectant and nursing mothers and children, educates women, health, nutrition, sanitation, hygiene and family welfare, daycare centers, leprosy patients, children, anemia camps. Creches for children, scholarship program for brilliant children from lower income group, legislative role, Sarda Act, Hindu Code Bill, Adoptions and Maintenance Act, Devdasi Prohibition Act, Factory and Mines Act, Maternity Benefits Act. Institutions set up by AIWC, Family Planning Center, Save the Children Committee, the Indian Council for Children Welfare, the Amrit Kaur Bal Vihar for mentally retarded children, Family Planning Association of India, established in 1949, headquartered at Mumbai. Services, gynecological services, infertility services, gender-based violence related services, laboratory services, contraceptive services, medical termination of pregnancy services, HIV related services, test, counseling, treatment. Maternal and child care services, urine pregnancy test, antenatal care including injection, TT and supplement, counseling, postnatal care and counseling, immunization services for children, general clinic for mothers and children. Special programs, Small Family by Choice Project, Acceptance of Family Planning, Youth Education on Sexuality Project, Awareness of Education, the Girl Child and Prevention of Female Feticide Project, Disha Centers, Youth People Meet, Discuss Healthy Lifestyles, Movement Youth to Youth, RH Education, Adolescent Girl Madrasas, Spendana Educational Project, Reproductive Health Issues. St. John's Ambulance was established in 1992, headquartered at Delhi. Activities organized, training program for first aid, home nursing, hygiene, sanitation, mothercraft and child welfare, disaster management, provide service, ambulance and first aid services, awareness programs, a range of first aid posts and duties on various occasions, relief works during the calamities, organizing blood camps. Tuberculosis Association of India, established in February 1939, headquartered at New Delhi. Activities providing quality diagnostic and treatment services, supplementing RNTCP services of Government of India. No new units are to be established to avoid costs and duplication. Ford Foundation, established in 1936 at New York in India. In India it was established in 1952, the headquarters at Delhi. The founder of this foundation is Henry and Edsel Ford. It supports organizations that promote livelihood opportunities, advocate for economic and social rights, make the government's development efforts transparent and accountable, work to create agricultural policies, enable women and girls to address their sexual and reproductive health and rights, broaden the participation of marginalized groups through public service media. Child Welfare Research Program in Family Planning established National Health and Family Welfare Institute in Delhi, pilot project of health services, health in water supply and drainage of sewage system in Kolkata, help and child marriage. Smile Foundation established in 2002, head office at Delhi. Programs and activities, mission education, underprivileged children, crèche preschool, non-formal education, remedial education, bridge course, family life education for adults and girls, educational project, integrated community development in Gona, Vidya Jyoti Primary School and Jyotimaya Dumb and Deaf School at Barwaha. Healthcare, Smile on Wheels, Smile Health Camps, Livelihood, Smile Twin e-learning program, Girl, Child and Women Empowerment, Swabhiman, Pravartan. Then film production, I Am Kalam. These are the production of this agency. I Am Kalam, Chune Do Asman, Nanni Najar, Shortcuts, Journey So Far. SOS Children's Village, established in Austria in 1949 and in India in 1964. Now in India, 41 SOS Children's Villages. Activities, child care programs, family-based care, family strengthening program, protect child right, educational services, emergency response in disaster and help children. CRY, Child Rights and You. It was established in 1979 by a 25 years airline pursuer Ripon Kapoor along with his 7 friends and headquarters at Mumbai. Working areas, the right to survival, to life, health, nutrition, name and nationality, the right to development of education, care, leisure and recreation, the right to protection from exploitation, abuse and neglect, the right to participation in expression, information, thought and religion. Activities, bringing together donation, time, resources, mobilizing communities to stand up and demand for their rights, implementing awareness building measure, partnering with small NGO all over India. CRY impact in 2010 to 11, 122, 898 infants have been immunized, 415 new ICDS center opened, 19 new PHC and 38 sub-health centers opened, 21,676 children who had dropped out of school have been enrolled, child labor prevented in 648 villages, 1152 villages were freed of child marriages, 103 government schools prevented from closing down. Child in Need Institute, CINI, it was established in 1974, headquartered at Kolkata. Activities, education, Shikshalya Prakalpa and Mid-Day Meal, eliminating child labor in Calcutta, health and nutrition, adopt a mother and save her child, National AIDS Control Program. CINI networks 400 gram of roasted wheat and 100 gram of green gram, face-to-face counseling, adopt a mother and save her child, educating people about HIV/AIDS, Childline 1098, girls shelters, home child sponsorship program, train local women and government worker emergency relief. I hope you have clear with this. And CINI running following centers: lactation management unit, nutrition rehabilitation center, emergency ward, reproductive health clinic, antenatal clinic, Thursday clinic and outpatient department. This is all about the national agency related to child welfare. Thank you.